Okay, hello dear friends. Let's take a look at the paper. I usually do not buy the perfect size paper. I cut them. And here are different kinds, different design of paper. And whenever I find some beautiful, pretty paper, I collect them. And there are different kind of designs. Some can be used, some are not so pretty or not so physically fit for making earrings. Some paper are too thin, some paper are too thick, too heavy. And so here are the designs, different kind of designs. And also, that's the origami paper. That's the origami paper I bought. And here I use just photocopy paper or color paper, letter size. I bought it in office supply and then cut into square and then cut into small size of my desire. This is relatively strong and thick, and it has a lot of strength of this paper. You need to use your tool, really press it very, very strongly so that the fold becomes sustainable. And I also have this gift packaging paper, and this particular one is a plastic one, a kind of plastic. You cannot tear it. It does not tear. Some plastic, some stone pulp. And I first roughly cut it with scissors so that I can use my paper cutter. And from time to time, I have particularly prettier paper, and without hesitation, I will buy it. This is kind of a wall paper you get in specialty art supply store or paper store. And what I use is this paper cutter. Now, let's do a paper cutting, okay? See, I usually cut to what size? Let me show you. For this paper, 2 inches, 1 inch, 2 inches is the best fit. So if altogether is 2 inch, I first cut out 8 inch or 10 inch. 12 is beyond me. Let's do 8 inch and press it here, press it here. Can you see it? Okay, I will zoom in. So you can see it sharply putting to that edge, and I use my hand to hold it right here. To hold it so that it does not move. This part can hold also. Then this way, this is 8, and then I cut to 6, 4, 2, like this. Let's do one. It will be pretty noisy. I hope you are okay with it. And this one is 10. It's the multiple of 5. Oh, this is a little bit too small. Okay. So you see, it takes time to do the calculation, to do the measuring. It was the effort. You do not want to end up wasting your paper. So carefully look at it and cut to the perfect size. I will do one that already show you. These are exact size, so you can do 2 pieces at one time sometimes. So, a little bit different. Take your time, do the right thing. So these are the paper. Every 3 of them make one little diamond, kind of diamond. So I will cut. Keep on cutting so you get the idea, right?